Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about why you should be careful paying for a credit report and score from various credit monitoring sources, okay? We've done a video on this before, but I know that there's a lot of smaller companies popping up, and we just want to make sure that if you're going to pay for credit monitoring, number one, know that you can get your credit score and report for free. One of the best platforms out there right now is Credit Karma, okay? Credit Karma is going to show you your TransUnion and it's going to show you your Equifax. Not only just your scores, but it's going to show you your reports as well. Now, of course, it gets a lot of slack because a lot of banks still don't use this algorithm, which we get, but a lot of people are using alternatives and they're thinking that, hey, well, I'm not using Credit Karma, so this is a little bit better because it's with X whatever company. And that doesn't necessarily mean anything because a lot of them are still using the same algorithm. For example, a lot of people don't know that CreditWise uses the same algorithm as Credit Karma. Wallet Hub uses that same algorithm. Credit Sesame uses that same algorithm. So there's nothing wrong with using that particular algorithm. Just make sure your expectations are set properly. Then I've seen some people actually pay for certain services, which is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that at all. But here's the order that you want to pay if you're going to pay for something. Number one is going to be Myfico.com. We talked about this. If you pay $30 a month, you're going to get all 27 of your scores as well as 3 reports from the major 3 bureaus, and that's going to update quarterly. Now, you're going to get daily alerts on the score, but you won't get a full report to see everything into every quarter, and that's $30 a month. Then you have the $40 a month plan. That's so you get all 27 scores and you get all 3 of your credit reports updated every single month. Still with daily alerts, but you get a full report where you can see everything, not just an alert. And you see that every single month. So that's number one. Is going to be Myfico. Why? Obviously, because 90% of lenders use Myfico. The score that you're going to see there is going to be the exact same score that you're going to see when it's time to purchase a home, get a credit card, get an auto loan, personal loan, student loan, whatever. They have all of your scores there, all of the categories there. That's what they see. That's what they pull. They don't pull from that as a source, but those are the scores that they see. Okay, so that's that one. And then you're going to also see the next option is going to be Experian. Now, Experian is a great option because not just because of the name, obviously, but TransUnion and Equifax, they're back and forth on selling FICO scores, but Experian is one of the few platforms that are out there that actually sells the actual FICO score. Now, the only catch is with this one is that it doesn't give you all 27 scores. It gives you about 20. So it's kind of biased because it only shows you all of your score categories for Experian, and it'll show you all the rest of the scores through Equifax and TransUnion. So you get your overall TransUnion score, your overall Equifax score, and then you get all of your category scores only through Experian. So, and then that was about $24.95. There's nothing wrong with that, obviously, but if you're going to pay $24.95 and you're going to think you're going to get all of your scores, you may as well just pay an additional $5 more, go swing on over to Myfico. Unless you're really adamant about it, then you can just pay the $40 and see everything that the bank sees every single month. And then you have Identity IQ. Now, Identity IQ, they have their regular pricing, but we actually get a discount with them. Now, I think that's going to be the best route for people to go as the cheapest way to see all 3 credit scores and 3 credit reports, but it's going to be Vantage scoring. So again, not the algorithm that banks are going to use, but if you want to save if you want to save $10 or $20 a month and just pay $20 a month, with this particular plan, at least you can see all 3 platforms on one platform, all 3 scores, and it updates every single month. And of course, you get daily score alerts and things of that sort. Again, it is Vantage, so a person will say, well, why don't I just use Credit Karma? Again, Experian is going to be missing from that batch. If Credit Karma, added on Experian, it'd be a whole different ballgame, to be honest with you. So that will easily put a lot of these places out of business. But right now, the cheapest, best game in town is going to be Identity IQ because you get all 3. It's only $20 a month. But if you want to see the banks use, obviously you want to go to Myfico.com. But in anything that I didn't list is more than likely going to be a waste of time. I see so many different things that are out there. Of course, some people are still using Credit Check Total, which is perfectly fine, but Credit Check Total got bought out by Experian, so you may as well just convert everything over to Experian because you may be overpaying instead of getting the Experian premium. Now, can you get something from Equifax? You can, but a lot of times it's not. It's going to be very limited. It's only going to show you like your overall, Equifax scores and things of that sort. But the biggest thing is look at what you're paying. That's what you want to look at. What are you paying? If you're paying more than $20 a month, it needs to be either Experian or Myfico.com. If it's not any of those, it's going to be a complete waste of money, to be totally honest with you. Anything else is just going to be very limited, or it's not going to show you everything that you need to see, okay? So if you like this video, like it. You want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.